Robin Sheehan, Executive Principal at Corning Painted Post High School. In a normal school year, we would have welcomed you by this time into our open house so that you could see our school and hear about opportunities here at the high school. Because of the events right now, we can't do that, so we decided to create this video to give you a glimpse into our school community. First though, I'd like to thank you for all of your support in opening our school this fall. We completely appreciate the support of our families as we've been able to welcome students both in the hybrid model and the 100% virtual model. We are so proud of our students and staff for how they have handled these challenges and are moving forward. In this video, you will see information about activities and opportunities here at the high school, hear a little bit about our freshman academy, and also learn about our parent-teacher conferences. Thank you for all that you do to support us each and every day. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.
I just want to share my thoughts. At the end of August, I was anxious, excited, worried. How is school going to go this year? How am I going to teach labs? How am I going to have an effect on my students? So it was pretty rough the first couple of weeks, and my students, and I hear this from teachers all over the building, have been wonderful. We worried that we would have to enforce mask wearing. We don't need to do that. Classroom control is a lot easier with half of my students. I really want to emphasize just how wonderful the students have been, so that has made it so much easier. And what helps is how patient the students have been. I say all the time, bear with me, whoops, okay, gotta take attendance, thank you for your patience. They're wonderful, and they're helping each other out, answering questions in the chat. So I'm still anxious and worried, but I'm happier being able to make a difference. And that's why I went into teaching. So thank you for raising fabulous kids.
Hi, my name's Nick Kapral. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Corning Painted Post High School. One of the areas that I work with are clubs and activities. Our activities and extracurriculars are on pause, but advisors and coaches are eager to work with your students. Some of our starting virtual activities, you can find contact information in our open house document. The link will be on the screen in this video. One of the areas we're very proud of here at the high school is that we offer nearly 40 clubs and activities and nearly 26 different sports teams. There are a variety of community partners and agencies who can't be with us tonight. Please look at the open house document for contact information and services they provide, such as Southern Tier Tobacco Awareness, Southeast Bend County Library, Planned Parenthood and the Corning Health Center, and Corning Hawk Sports Booster Club. PTSA, we're grateful for all their support, how helpful they are. You can find them on Facebook and at the open house document. Many thanks to Sabine Mukhtar and Damaris Alonzo and the PTSA leadership for all the ways that they support us here at the high school. Our Tesserae Yearbook staff is hard at work already covering this story of this unique year. If you'd like to purchase a yearbook for your student, you can find the link to the yearbook order center at the open house document. Hawk Threads is an area here in our building, a variety of clean clothing and other personal items available free to students in need. More information, you can contact your child's school counselor. Donations to support Hawk Threads are gently used clothing and personal needs like toiletries can be dropped off at the CPP High School main office. Our Learning Lab is an area here in our building where students can receive extra academic support every period of the day. They can go on, login information is on the open house document, and it's located at tinyurl.com/CPPHS-open20. Thank you.
On the first day of school, it was wonderful to see kids in the hallway. It was a breath of fresh air to have some of that normalcy back into life and to see another body other than my dog all summer long. I know when I come in, I try to say good morning to every single face I see just because I'm grateful to be able to see faces and to see the students.
Hello everyone, my name is George Bacalles. I'm an administrative intern here at Corning Painted Post High School. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about parent-teacher conferences that we're going to have this fall. Currently, each teacher is creating a sign-up genius that they will be emailing out to all of you through our School Tools account. In order to sign up for a parent conference, choose which slot you would like. They are on 3 different dates: Wednesday, October 21st from 12:15 to 3:15, Wednesday, October 28th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and Wednesday, November 4th from 12:15 to 3:15. You can sign up for one of the slots. They last about 10 to 15 minutes, and the conference will either be held by phone or through Google Meet. If you don't have a lot of experience using Google Meet, I'm sure your student can fill you in. For more information about parent-teacher conferences, go to the open house website link at tinyurl.com/CPPHSopen20.
Social emotional learning, in my mind, is all about building relationships with each other and yourself, focusing on positive attitudes and positive outlooks on life and school. I am taking a lot of time to try and build those relationships with my students. I spent several days on welcome activities and get to know you things in my class. I'm doing a daily check-in and advisory, just checking in with students. How are you doing today? Is there anything that you need from me or from other teachers? On Wednesdays, I'm trying to do a weekly check-in with all of my students. Again, how are you doing? What's one thing that went well this week? What's one thing that maybe could be improved from this week? And again, just to try and build those connections and sort of make them go back and reflect on different things that have been happening during the week.
Hello everyone, my name is Sara Wilson and I am lucky enough to be one of the assistant principals here at Corning Painted Post High School. My role here is working primarily with the Freshman Academy. Freshman students are my favorite. Our Freshman Academy is structured in a way so that we help students with their transition from middle school to high school. Knowing that students and families come from all different places in our community, it's important that we have time built in for us to really get to know our students and also help them to understand all that high school has to offer. I look forward to meeting you when we can, answering your questions along the way. You can reach me through email, swilson@cppmail.com, and I'm here to help and answer any questions that I can.
Well, the beginning of the school this year, a couple days and even into the weeks, it was exciting. I enjoyed being back in the classroom with the kids. A little nerve-wracking in trying to understand the technology aspect of it and getting everyone on the same path and page and stuff. But overall, I think it's been a really positive experience being able to grow with the students and learn stuff new for myself.
Hello everyone, my name is David Harrington. I'm an assistant principal here at the Corning Painted Post High School. I have a few things that I would like to say to everyone in regard to this video. First off, if you have any questions in regard to the content of this video or just questions in general, please refer to our link at tinyurl.com/CPPHSopen20, or you can call 654-2988. First, I would like to say these are challenging times, no doubt about it. People are making tough decisions every day. We're in environments that we're not used to being in. I think everybody has done a great job. Whether we're at home or whether we're coming to school, everybody is working hard. We're all trying to get our education. Teachers are working countless hours. I know parents are doing the best that they can in regard to keeping their kids on track, getting their schoolwork done, communicating with parents, all the things that we typically would do face-to-face. Now we're challenged with the virtual world, learning all of the different technologies that we have to use. And I've been in numerous classrooms, and I just see that commitment. And what I would like to close with is just remember this. look at one thing, and that one thing that I try to focus on is every day we're one day closer to getting back, to coming back here to Hawk Nation, to going to sporting events, going to plays, going to music events, all the different things that we have here for all of our kids in the community. We're one day back, no matter where we are. Once a Hawk, always a Hawk. This is Hawk Nation.